This is Kenzo. So today is Wednesday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ 100. Please guys, if you forgot to hit that subscribe button, just subscribe guys, and also like, so that people they can find my content. So I'm on a daily time frame here. You can see that NASDAQ broke our uptrend line here, then it reached this point. And if you can see, yesterday I updated another video about this point, and the market really came and touched this point and moved back. So let's go to a smaller time frame and see what's really happening at the moment. But you can see the market just broke this point, and I think now the market is pulling back again. So on a 4-hour time frame, let's see what's really going on. You can see the usual trend lines here. So let me just take them out so that you can see what it's happening at the moment. So let me just shorten this one, or let me just leave them. So here you can see that the market just came back, and you can see here these are the points. Actually is the strongest support also, even if we had a very uptrend, upward movement to the upside. You can see that the market was just moving up, but we also had this support here, so I told people on the video that if the market breaks here, please do check, wait for the market to reach this point, because the market has already created support from this point, and the market came from, well, let me say maybe from this point 1, 2, 3, and yesterday it was here. So but what we see here, if you can just zoom a little bit, you can see that the market broke here and came back again, and it seems like the market just retested here. It seems like the market wants to go down again. I'm not saying the market will go down. I say the market just broke our support line here and came again and touched here as a retest, and it seems like it's gonna do something like this. So but since the market respected this point, and here we have a trend line that is been broken, it's really confusing at the moment. So the best way that you can do not to get confused, it means this one actually is very weak at the moment, so the market can just go up anytime. But you can see the market really did not break this point. It means this one is very strong. So from this point, it means don't remove this resistance until the market move away from this resistance. At the moment, leave it like that. You can, as long as you can leave it like that, then you can know that you still have a very strong support. So I hope anyone did not sell from this point, because I told people if you sell, then the market will just push up very fast. Listen. So what do we do about this at the market at the moment? So let's go to a very smaller time frame and see what's really happening. You can see here the market just bounced from this point. I just want you to bounce from this point, and also from this point. So it means this one at the moment, it's not that useful. So I'm not saying it's nothing, but I say it's not that important. So I'm hoping the market can still go down, but the overall picture here, the market will just go up. You see, let's go to a smaller time frame so that we can see what's really going on. We can see, so what we can do here is very simple. It's very simple. Let me remove, or let me just leave them and try to draw something from a daily time, sort of from 1 hour time frame. Draw your resistance line. You can see that even if you put it like this here, it will still make sense. or even if maybe you want to make it over this point here, so you will see that the market broke our resistance line, our resistance trend line, because you can see the market was just moving below this point, and it's the point that I was talking about every day, starting from this week or maybe last week. The market was just going below this line, so the market just broke here, and you can see the market just retested, and we see a very nice bullish candlestick from this one. I don't know if maybe you can, let me try to zoom. You will see what I'm talking about. You can see this candlestick that I'm talking about. It's a nice bullish candlestick. Actually, it's where people they should enter. But if maybe you are still afraid of this resistance here, if maybe the market, you think the market will just reach this point and come down again, which is also possible. So the best thing is, if maybe you're thinking like that, you can just wait for the market to break it. But I don't think the market will have any problem with this, because now it means now we have to think about a uptrend. You can see we touched our resistance, our support here, so we must think about a uptrend going upwards. So you can start to draw your trend line or uptrend line like this. You can start from here, drawing it like this, and then you can just go and see what's really happening. So we expect the market to do something like this, I'm not saying it's gonna happen exactly, but picture, I mean, something like this might happen. So the NASDAQ can just pull up and start to go up like that. But these things might happen very slowly. You might not even think it's happening exactly that way, but after few days you will see exactly what I'm trying to say here. NASDAQ can do something like that. So you can take this one so that you don't get confused and leave it like that. So the overall picture here, it's I see a very nice buy. I'm already in a trade at the moment, so I'm in a very small profit. I think I entered somewhere here. So I thought the market will just push up, but the market is still very slow. But maybe when the market opens later on, maybe the market will push up. But this thing is the things that you should consider. I don't see any sell position here, because we have a resistance which is very close. The market just confirmed this resistance. I also showed you the resistance there. You can also see this bullish candlestick. It shows you that the market actually is pushing up. Or if you are not convinced enough, you can see this line here, this resistance line. The market just broke it, then the market is going up. You can even here, it's where there was that support trend line which it was broken. That's why if maybe you want to enter the market after this point, you can just wait until the market open. Maybe when the market breaks this point, you can wait for a retest. If it does happen, then you can enter. So I don't want to make this video very long. I hope you grabbed something from this video. So only one video won't make you won't understand everything, because we do these things daily. The best thing maybe you can do is to watch videos from Monday up to today, then you will understand what's really going on. So but from now, you can see, from this point you can see the market it's about to push to the upside direction, because here it's a nice direct support. And if you get it here, actually you might just lock the profit and forget about your order, because you can see the market is it's down here, even if maybe it's recovered from this point. But just imagine if the market reaches this point, maybe tomorrow or whatever, or Monday. But if you go to your positions from this point to this, it's something. You see, so thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit a notification button so that you don't miss any daily analysis. Thank you.